Hey everyone, CPO here, and today is probably going to be one of the quickest install videos I've ever done on this channel. I'm trying to think if I've installed anything that was easier than this. So my son is off training with the Army, which means I have full access to his Jeep and I can pretty much do whatever I want to it, and he's just going to have to live with the results. So I'm not going to do anything crazy, but over the period of time that he's gone, which that might be a while, I'm gonna look for opportunities to do some work on it. And so today I'm gonna deal with his cell phone holder. Now I did a video doing it was a Rugged Ridge cell phone mount that goes up on top of the stereo center console area. And while I like the storage, gotta let the diesel drive by. And while I like the storage that provides, the cell phone holder part is a little bit rickety. So recently on a different channel, I did an install video here on the Golf R doing a ProClip USA phone mount, and I really liked it. I liked how it integrated in with the interior. I liked how easy it was. I liked how secure it was. And I liked the adjustable universal phone mount. So I've got the same thing for CJ's Jeep. And so it's going to replace the Rugged Ridge one. I'm going to pull that out of there, and then we're going to put in this ProClip. And like I said, this intro took longer than the actual install. So let's get to it. All right, so the first thing I have to do is remove this other holder slash tray here. 3 screws and then a whole bunch of double stick tape is holding this bad boy on. Like I said, I did like the holder aspect. It's just that phone mount piece was a little bit too rickety, and it just wasn't ideal. So as soon as I get this off, we will remedy that with the ProClip phone mount. So yeah, there is a lot of double stick tape holding this down, and quite frankly, I'm going to have to remove all of this residue at a later time. So the ProClips basically come in 2 parts. You have the part that mounts to your vehicle. This is the center dash mount for the TJ. This is a 2004 TJ. And it clips basically at the top of the radio mount and the top of that little cubby piece and goes over your driver's side vent. And it basically clips in really easily. And I have an aftermarket radio, but it works if you have a standard stock radio as well. They do give you this little trim tool that you can spread open and make a gap if you need to. I didn't need to use it, so not a big deal. So once I got the test fit done, I removed the backing on the tape on both the bottom and the top. Now on mine, the bottom one was blue and the top one was red. I don't know if they're color coded for any particular reason, but I'll make note of it just because it was the case. And then get it back lined up where I remember it fit sort of the best, and then just sort of clip it into place and then press down the tape. And there it is, that is it. The install is done on the vehicle side. And that's pretty cool. Now the phone mount is a different part. You have to get it for the phones you're specifically looking for. Undo the middle screw and that will allow you to separate it from the base. The base is what you're gonna mount to the vehicle mount, and you'll use these 4 little screws provided. Now the phone mount I have is the one for an iPhone with, it's adjustable. So the case size and all that stuff can vary. Anyway, I'll put some links in the description of this video on YouTube. Then once I get that base mounted to the vehicle mount, re-screw in that center screw, and then you're good to go. That's it, basically, that's it. Now, what we do need to do is size it for our phone specifically. So as you can see here, by default, the phone does not fit in there. There are 2 screws in the center of this that you just loosen up, and it allows you to spread it wider. And then I just, loosen them up, figure out which size fits the phone the best, and then tighten the screws down. It's that simple. And if I change case on the phone or he goes without a case, he can always just adjust this mount to fit whatever the new phone size is. So that's pretty cool, and slips in like a dream. That's it, guys. The bottom is fully exposed, makes it easy to plug in a charger. And the other cool thing is it's easy to rotate. For like a passenger to view, you can rotate it into a landscape position or back to portrait. You can adjust the up and down tilt and angle. It really is cool, really solid. And like I said, I put this in my Golf R and I loved it, so I knew he was gonna like it. So yeah, I decided this is something I'm gonna do for him. So anyways, that's it. It was that easy. Like I said, the longest part of the video is probably the introduction. If you have any questions or comments or feedback or whatever, hit me up in the comments of this video. Otherwise, as usual, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. By the way, this entire video was filmed with a DJI Mavic Air 2 drone.